Hello everyone, this is Shirley with Unboxing a Brand and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an order that I received from Public Goods. If you've never heard of Public Goods before, they are a membership-based company and they are only available online, I think. If you pay $59 a year for the membership, you get access to their entire website. They have personal care, they have household stuff, they have grocery, pet, vitamins and supplements, and CBD if you're into that. I actually received this box for free from Public Goods because they wanted me to do an unboxing video for you guys. If you guys use my link to sign up with Public Goods, you actually get 15% off of your first order and you get a free 2-week trial. So if you wanted to just place one order and see if you like the items, you can go ahead and do that without paying for the membership fee. Okay, I have my baby over here on the swing and he's laughing at me. That's what that noise is. So let's go ahead and dig into my box here. I believe they started on Kickstarter in something like 2018 or 2019. So when they did that, I actually signed up for their 2-week trial and I've already ordered some of their stuff. And I'll go into a little more detail as I'm showing you guys what I got this time. This first layer here is just packing material. It looks like anything that is liquid will come in a plastic bag. And this is in pretty good condition. I'm probably not going to reuse it for food or anything, but you can definitely reuse this for something else. And then on the inside, you see that there's like this shredded paper to keep your glass from breaking. And my first item here is a hot sauce. So this is the garlic habanero hot sauce made with aged peppers and natural spices for a bold kick of flavor. I wonder if this tastes similar to the Trader Joe's hot sauce. And then I also, I already see something leaking in here. Okay, and then these are my next items. I think it's this. Oh yeah, so this is all soaked. Good thing they put it in this plastic bag. I guess just sometimes in shipment, you never know how rough they're gonna be with your packages. Okay, so this is a surface cleaner, and this is actually something I ordered when I said that I first signed up with them about 2-3 years ago. I didn't like their spray bottles last time because it broke on like the second or the third use, but it looks like they've upgraded their spray bottle here. And it smells quite nice. Like it's a surface cleaner, but it doesn't smell chemically. Oh, I also forgot to mention, they use healthy ingredients in everything that they make. So this is paraben-free, vegan-friendly, gray water-friendly, gluten-free, natural fragrance, and cruelty-free. So the fragrance that I'm smelling in here is actually jasmine essential oil fragrance. And then they also have these like concentrated tubes that you can purchase from their website. So you can refill your bottle, you squeeze the tube in here, add some water, shake it, and then you'll have another full bottle of spray. So that was the second item. Third item, maybe this one didn't leak. Maybe it's just a cleaner that leaked. But this one is also wet. It was in the same bag. This is a body wash. I'm just gonna wipe it off a little bit. When I first tried them out like 3 or 4 years ago, I placed an order for all of their travel-sized personal care products. And the only thing that I liked out of them was the body wash. So I placed another order for this. This one is very gender neutral. The smell is really nice. It's not too fragrant-y. Is that a word? So this one also is paraben-free, vegan-friendly, sulfate-free, gluten-free, natural fragrance, and cruelty-free. And then the fragrance in here comes from orange, geranium, cinnamon, mandarin, nutmeg, petitgrain, rosewood, celery seed, grapefruit, and vetiver. So it's a combination of different essential oils. That's what makes this smell really, really good. And then on the bottom here, it also says this bottle is made from sugar cane. So sugarcane plastic. And if you look on the bottom, it's number 2. From what I learned in school, anything that has like 1 or 2 is really easy to recycle. The higher the number gets, the harder it is. So don't quote me on that. Might have to do some more research, but the bottle is made from sugarcane. I have one more in this bag. What is this? Oh, I remember what this is. This is a candle. I think they changed their packaging for their candle too. I also placed an order for a candle last time. So this is the black currant candle. It's 3.5 ounces and it smells really good. This one is made with natural soy, hand poured in small batches, made in the USA. No dyes, paraben-free, no phthalates, and also lead-free. And this comes in a glass jar with a plastic top. I think their last jars came with like a tin lid, but I guess they switched to plastic. Okay, so that was everything in that bag. And then we have some other stuff in here. So we have these walnut cleaning pads. These are made from walnuts, 100% recycled fibers, water-based latex binder, and ground walnut shells, made in Canada. This is non-scratch, recycled fibers, and eco-friendly. I also forgot to mention, you probably already noticed, all of their packaging is very sleek and very clean. So if you're like going for that minimum minimalist look and you want that like aesthetic. As long as you like these, of course, you can stock up your bathroom with like all of these nice looking packaging. Even like your cleaning supplies can look really cool too. And then we have a bar soap. This is made with palm oil, and on the back it says healthy ingredients with nothing to hide, paraben free, vegan friendly, sulfate free, gluten free, natural fragrance, and cruelty free. I wonder if this smells similar to the body wash, but this is a bar soap. I'm not gonna open it until we need to use it, but this is very handy. Okay, so the last item I'm really excited to show you guys. This is a bag of ramen noodles. So this is actually sesame paste flavored, made with a non-deep fried method, no added MSG or preservatives. So there are 5 packs in here. Contains soy, sesame, wheat, and then it shows you cooking instructions. Oh, it's made in Taiwan. They do have a whole bunch of other grocery items on their website. 2-3 years ago when I first signed up with them, they didn't have any of the food stuff, but now they've expanded out into all these different categories, and I'm really interested to try all of their grocery items. So they have like cereal and breakfast stuff, they have beverages, they have pastas, grains, sauces, baking stuff, soups, canned goods, spices, condiments, oils and vinegars, and snacks. They have a lot of pantry stuff. They have a lot of canned goods that I might look into getting. They have like kidney beans, they have salmon, tuna fish, and then they have a canned goods bundle, tomato, pinto beans, chili beans, garbanzo beans, kidney beans, and corn. Okay, so that was everything that I got from Public Goods. Thank you so much for watching this video and unboxing everything with me. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!